Welcome to HV-Band's Quality Assurance video series. In this video, we will show you the difference between the lubricating grease used by HV-Band and other brands. Lubricating grease is primarily used in drive housing to ensure the smooth operation of machinery. High-quality grease means fewer impurities, ensuring the gears in the gearbox are protected from wear and minimizing noise during operation. HV-Band selects premium Japanese imported grease for superior performance and longevity. Low-quality grease, on the other hand, is the complete opposite. Its much more mineral impurities not only reduce the lifespan of the machine, but also amplify operational noise. So how do we judge the quality of grease? One way to check grease impurity is by using a flame combustion test. Take a small amount of grease from the HV-Band airless sprayer and some from the other brand. Combustion comparison was performed at the same time. The lubricating grease used in the HV-Band brand machine is characterized by its non-combustible nature, smoke-free, and absence of impurities after burning. In contrast, lubricating grease used in other brand of the machine can burn, emit black smoke during combustion, and leave no impurities after burning. The above is the lubricating grease comparison test. Thank you for watching.